Toyota Tacoma is all new for 2016. Here are the highlights. The all-new design has been rebuilt with a new powertrain and enhanced suspension. The new 3.5-liter D4S-equipped V6 puts out 278 horsepower and 265 foot-pounds of torque. The V6 truck is available with your choice of new transmissions, either the 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic. This upgrade in power has boosted towing capacity to 6,800 pounds. The tougher, more chiseled appearance is similar to the larger Tundra and gives Tacoma a more impressive look. The new locking tailgate also includes a strut for easy opening and includes a Stamped Tacoma logo. For 2016, the Tacoma is available in 5 trim levels. SR for a basic work truck, SR5 that's ready to be built to your specs, TRD Sport for a little extra style, TRD Off-Road for a ready-to-go Explorer, top-of-the-line limited model. TRD Off-Road models include locking rear differential, Bilstein shocks, multi-terrain select system, A-track, and crawl control. A variety of additional options are available, including upgraded audio, keyless entry, upgraded styling, and even a power moonroof. 4x4 Tacomas start at $24,825 and top out at $37,820 for the limited model. Read more about the 2016 Tacoma and future issues of Toyota Cruisers and Trucks magazine.